other day.
And what are we doing?
Eating Taco Bell. Look at the food. Let them
And
be
Naya
hungry.
set it all up.
They're gonna be
They got Taco Bell. They wanted Taco Bell today.
They're gonna.
Made a unicorn. A kitty unicorn. Wow, Naya, good job. There we go.
Well, on a little horse.
Bailey's on the zebra. What are you on, Bailey? And a zebra.
This is my animal.
That's your animal?
This is mine.
No. Adaya got her arms up. Bailey. Backwards.
Mama, could we?
Look at the park. Wow, look at the big giraffe. Does it say Bailey? Choo-choo. Someone's getting sleepy. Someone's getting Bailey. I love you, Bailey.
I love you, baby.
I love you, Mommy.
I love you, baby.
What the? Okay, you can be the bunny too. Let me see, poke your head out. Hi, cute bunny. Okay, let me see, Bailey. Hi, bunny. So cute. You're the cute giraffe. Aww. So, Bailey, what about you? Who are you gonna be next? Oh my gosh, what about the lion? Let's see the cute lion. Oh, so cute. So, oh my gosh, you can't fit your head in. Oh. Back it up. look at that one. Okay, let's keep looking. Let's look at the next one. See if you can find any birdies. Ooh, they made a little nesty. Let's go see. It's just a nest. Look. Nope, that one's too high. I can't see.
I get 8!
Where?
Inside the middle one. I didn't see on this
I don't know. Dude, look at this one. So we had so much fun here at the nut tree. Did you guys have fun? Did you have fun, Bailey? What did we do today?
We went on the train.
Went on the train. What else, Bailey? Oh, bless you.
Then we were seeing boats. We didn't
You
win.
saw the birds.
We went on the playground, but we didn't went on the sawhorsey. And what was that thing?
Why? Why didn't we go on?
Because
Or
it
the
was
park.
hot. And
It was
what
too
was
hot.
that?
It's way too hot. Now what are you guys eating?
Baby bottle pops.
Baby bottle pops. Look, ready? You gotta shake it.
Wait, let's see.
Okay. And then you wanna do yours like that, Naya?
Yeah.
Ooh, thumbs up, Bailey.
I know.
Okay, now shake it. Okay, now open it and look at it.
It's frozen.
Okay, well, thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed our mommy-daughter day. Did you guys like mommy-daughter day? Hey, Naya, did you like mommy-daughter?
Yeah.
Tell the camera.
Yeah.
Did you like mommy-daughter day, Bailey? Did you have fun? We hope you enjoyed our video.
This is sour.
Please subscribe. Say please subscribe.
Please subscribe.
Whew. Give us a big thumbs up and make sure to hit that
Bell, if you want.
to stay updated with our videos. Thank you again for watching. See you later.
Later, alligator. See you later, alligator.
In a wild crocodile. Bye, guys.
Never